In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter default project services in Freshbooks. Let's dive right into it. We're going to start by creating your services. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the Items and Services section, which you'll find in the left menu of your Freshbooks interface. Once you've clicked there, your next move is to click on Create New, and from the drop-down that appears, select Service. This is where you'll be inputting the service you want to add to your projects. Now, you'll need to give your service a name. The name should be descriptive enough so that you and anyone else who works with it in the future will understand what this service is about at a glance. An optional but often useful step is to add a description. This can help clarify exactly what the service entails. Next, you'll set the service rate. This is where you choose the amount that'll be the default rate for this service. It's important to consider what rate accurately reflects the value of the service and fits within your overall pricing strategy. Once you've completed these entries, remember to click Save. This step locks in all the information you've just added, so it's crucial to ensure everything is correctly filled out before you save. With your services created, you're now ready to set up your project to use these default services. This step ensures that every time you create a new project, your predefined services are ready to go, making your process smoother and more efficient. While I don't have the detailed steps for configuring this with a specific project, the general approach involves ensuring that your projects are aligned to automatically include these default services. This saves you time and reduces the chance of human error every time you initiate a project. As you integrate these default services, consider evaluating periodically if your default service rates and descriptions still align with your business goals and service levels. Doing so helps keep your business adaptable and always aligned with your strategy. And there you go. You've now learned how to enter default project services in Freshbooks. This process not only enhances your efficiency, but also bolsters your project management capabilities by ensuring repeatable quality and consistency in every project you undertake. Remember to revisit these settings from time to time to ensure they continue to meet your business needs as you grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.